I'm Bethany. Thanks for watching. I made a video on DIY easy crochet ear warmer, and the follow-up to that was a hat that you can make out of the ear warmer. So I'm going to show you how to make a gift basket out of the hat that hopefully you made. If you didn't make a hat, you can go buy a winter hat and make this gift basket for someone that you would like to give a gift to. These are really fun gifts for get well soon, or teachers, or people that just need a pick-me-up, or people that are like me and have a hard time getting through winter. So find someone that could use a little pick-me-up. You'll need a hat, you'll need some tea, and a coffee mug. And I also bought honey tea stirrers. I'm also going to include a nice pair of snuggly socks. Don't buy things that someone's not going to use. Don't buy junk. It's better to spend a little more money on something that you know someone will use than to just fill the gift basket. And I went to Home Goods and got most of these things. I like going to a place like Home Goods or World Market or some specialty place that shows that you didn't just go to the grocery store. If you do end up buying stuff at the grocery store, don't get the groceries brand name. Try to get stuff that is like unique looking. Make sure you take the price tags off. If you can't take the price tags off without leaving it look nice, you want to leave part of the sticker so that it doesn't look used. But just take a permanent marker and scratch it out if you can't get the price tags off. The basket for this gift will be a hat that I made, and I binge watching Netflix made good use of my time. The neat thing about handmade gifts is that people don't know how much they cost, so you can get away with spending more or less than you wanted to, and it's special, it's unique. So this part right here is the DIY Easy Crochet Ear Warmer, if you want to watch that video, and the follow-up to that is how to turn it into a hat. If you don't want to make a hat, you can purchase a hat, just as nice. So the first thing we're going to do is take some tissue paper, try to color coordinate. I've got kind of an orange and blue theme going on. I guess these are purple. Stick some tissue paper in there. You want it to come up over the sides, but not too much. We're gonna put a coffee mug and some tea. Honey tea stir sticks, all that I got at Home Goods. And also some really nice fuzzy socks. And put those in the coffee mug. I purchase cards that are blank and are solid in color. That way I'm saying I'm making an orangish gift hat basket. I can just pick that color and it looks really sharp, really classy, and really nice. So to this teacher, we will say, what did I say? Hope you stay warm and cozy this winter. And you want to use a hole punch or two to punch a hole in your card. We will use tulle, which you can get in the bridal section probably at your local big box store, or you can use a coupon and get it at a craft store. And we will put the hat. You want the tulle to come up. You can always trim it, but if you make it too short, everything might pull out. Got our tulle. And I'm going to do that one more time, going the opposite direction. Okay. So 2 pieces of tulle. Both pieces are long enough. One goes front to back, one goes side to side. That way everything will stay nice and tight. And we'll trim them when we're done. Make sure the tulle is containing everything. Ribbon is not expensive, but you can save it. A lot of pre-wrapped Christmas gifts have ribbon on them, or blankets that you buy have ribbon, or clothing sometimes has some ribbon. So save it. Tie a bow. Just like you would a ponytail, you can kind of pull it down. Tuck it in. Trim it. We will take your card and end of the ribbon through the holes so that they open the card first and can understand the theme of what's going on. It's much more fun. So there we have gift basket, gift hat. So again, I hope you find someone very deserving of some of your time and your love, and that you share the sweetness of creativity with someone who could need it this winter. Thanks for watching.